Sanibonani ekhaya, igama lami MK and welcome to a new podcast called Beyond the Game. Kuye le podcast lena we are actually navigating life ye player from a grounding to outside a grounding, and we are also looking into development ye player ku education and also kuma programs ayenzakalayo ku community. So namhlanje ngiphethe guest lami lokuqala. I know him because he was or is a captain ye Ward 58 yase Greenfield, and under my watch ikhona tournament aye wayewina ePolar Park last year. Ukraine mara recruitment
Ngiyaphila kanjani time K?
Ndimnandi. Whoever that's watching from ekhaya, I bet ukuba uninzi lwabo abakwazi ukuba ngaba ungubani. So bengicela usinikeze some intronyana ngawe ukuba ngaba ungubani, ubuya vaka kanjani?
Hayi. Okay, yokuqala ngizothi molweni baphulaphuli. Lona ngisomeleze ehlaba. Abaninzi bamazi ngososo. Abanye bamazi ngososo bhini, abanye bamazi ngoUber. Usomeleze ke yena ke wazalwa ngwaseNgcobo kahle.
Okay.
Kodwa ke ukhulele eGreenfield, ixesha elininzi ukhulele eGreenfield. Esengumntana.
Yeah.
Afike wadlala ibhola eGreenfield.
From Greenfield.
Yeah.
Okay.
Development yami from eDiskini hayi ikwe Green Stars
Okay.
under ucoach Thwalela, which is lo coach lo umuntu ongasekho emhlabeni. May his soul continue rest in peace.
Yeah. So passion yakho vele eDiskini iqala nini, and kubani okanye intoni eyaku inspire you into iDisk, because there's a lot of esports wawufanele ukuthi maybe mhlawumbe uye wazichoose nazo, such as your tennis, your netball, your volleyball, your rugby, your cricket nani. Mara wena you chose
Football.
football. Come on dang.
Dingathi time K. Dingathi intenza lenayo because I not kule age le ndaqala kuyibhola like
Yeah.
ikhonto bendi understand manje ibukela ibhola intenza lenayo ndavele ndayithanda.
Okay.
I think it was 2012, yeah. 2012 I was doing grade 1 Esprit eKhanyisa. Then masibuya I think bendihlale enhla kwendlela eGreenfield. Manibuya nje khona iteam ebejima nje esansi kwendlela ajima like lo team leyo besidlala like manje ithi besingabantu basekasi nje kudlala ndabona man no akuna direction. Impintshi zami zabe zijima ngezantsi zindala nakumi ke. Akulapho ke ndadibana neGreen Stars ndakhulela khona I think until nda reach aboma under 13. Yeah, under 13. Then Mr. Thwalela wanthatha wanisa kuShumba, which was eJoburg if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, kuShumba. Then kuShumba zange ngihlala ixesha elininzi.
Okay.
Ndayodlala kuPhala Shores. NakuPhala Shores zange ngihlala ixesha elininzi. Yaba yiVits. Then kuVits kwatshintsha coach. Bese ndikwi under 15 kwatshintsha coach.
Okay.
Izinto zange savaya grand ke.
Sure.
Then ndabuyela eKasi. Mandibuyela eKasi kuGreen Stars like bekusene inkulumo eziningi yabo eDiskini kuinkulumo yabo. Then ndatshintsha team ndaya kwiMighty Warriors nayo, which was base team yaseKasi.
Sure.
Namhlanje lo team le it is Greenfield Rovers.
Okay.
Yeah, idlala iLeague eEden Park.
Okay. So you are saying bekunenkulumo ezinkulu. Like khambani, like izinkulumo ezinjani ezo that actually made you ukuba ngaba uzu decide uba mawuchange team?
Like ukubona mos like akekho umuntu o understanda iplayer lakhe njengo coach yabo.
Yeah.
Abantu bazovela nama opinion wabo baphikisa ukuthi nywe ucoach waze wathi like ucoach ngendlela le yabona namhlanje ngisathe inkosi kulamadala lo Mr. Trucks andiyamphakamisela.
Okay.
Like lamadala lo ayikho into angandenzelanga yona eDiskini ethe young age. Ebenza sure ukuthi mayithe uzonithatha nisendaweni ethile bendisi. So ama player baya avela abanomona athi hayi ucoach wena uyakuthanda ntontoni yabo.
Sure.
Mina as a leader mandithi ndazela leader kahle.
Okay. Yeah.
That yazini for ukuthi le team le ingafi because ngendlela bese nibona ngayo team biseyisifa because ama player besilwe yabo.
Okay.
That yazini let me step out yabo. I think before nimuvele kwenye team ndahlala unyaka ningayidlala ibhola. Yeah, it was 2016.
Sure.
Ndahlala phansi ngingayidlala ibhola. Then kwaphinde kwabuya amanye ama player ethunyelwe kwangumadala lo wabazonilanda namtshela ukuthi hayi grand yabo.
Yeah.
The following week then join i-team le Mighty Warriors.
Okay. You know, one of the characteristics is a leader, kukuba selfless, and you even went to a state where uchuza ukuhlala phansi for a year ungayidlali disc. Remember when udlala disc, you were not doing it for anyone but for ukuthi wena uyalithanda disc. So how did leya decision leyana affect you kuwo loya nyaka lowa?
Idea ngileya yangikhawatha kakhulu
Sure.
because i-disc ndiyayithanda yabo. Then I was like yabo like angeke udlale nabantu abangakufuni e-discini if asizwana angeke sidlale i-disc sonke yabo.
Yeah, true.
Then ndayithatha uba no man, let me go and heal, ndisidlalele ekhaya ndenze loo nto ndiyenzayo. Bengijima ukujima mara beningadlali.
Okay.
Nakhona ukujima kwami bingeyobhola ke ngoba ndizenzela nje i-road work kanye ndithatha amakhuni ndiye egrawundini ndibuye ndisendlini ngijongane nencwadi.
No, kuyavakala. So can you tell us about your experience udlala kuma-local tournaments? Zikhona i-memorable highlights okanye ama-achievements mhlawumbe ongasixelela ngazo?
Mabhaya
Zwakala.
mabhaya khona. Ithi siqale ngama-challenges ohlangana nayo kuma-tournament.
Okay.
Sikakhulu more special ama-away tournament. When you are going away kumele uyazi uyodlala against 12 players. Manithi against 12 players uref angeke abe sesayidini lakho.
Okay.
Into ekumele uhlale uyazi leyo.
Because ngowayo leyo environment eniyodlala kuyo or ngwaleyo community leyo or khambani?
Yeah, nge-community leyo like maybe masifika kwelokaselo sihlala ne-big team yada and nathi sisuka phi sisuka ekasi lethu nathi seyi-big team ekasi lethu.
Sure.
Masifika la nabasenza no ref yakucinezela yinto i-challenge ke le first challenge kumele uyazi uma uyodlala ama-tournament away yinto kumele uhlale uyazi.
Okay.
Number 2, transport. Yabo masidlala ama-local tournament transport iyashaya maningena abantu abanibhekayo.
Okay.
Because kumele nenze ne-sacrifice imali zenu yabo. Mawuthola ukuthi amanye ama-key player awanayo imali. Then ke abanye maybe banayo abanye and awukwazi ke maybe nawe ubunalo sentana encinci.
Yeah.
Uyokwazile ukuyikhupha ukuthi ube la.
Okay.
Then ke siyasafa because ama-key player maybe amanye awabinamali. Then amanye ama-player maye engakhuphanga into akabinala nto uba no man ndiye bazondenzela iplan. Yabo uvele akhetha ukuhlala kuwabo ke uyabo sesiye egrawundini siyashawatela.
Okay.
Ndize kuma-achievement ama-achievement I think akhona mara not asidlala ama-tournament abhayi ngxaki yabo. Thina singabantu abadlala league kahle ama-tournament awekho bhayi mara I think singathi si-achievile kuwo wonke la ma-tournament esiwadlalileyo because ayikho i-tournament esaphuma ekuseni like izisuka siphume and etimini endlala kuyo ke make kukancinci endlaleni ama-over age players ixesha elinintsi ndidlala ngama-under yabo. Achievement sathatha i-tournament ePola Park nawe zawukhona.
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah, sayithatha then amanye awekho maninzi man-MK awekho maninzi. Sadlala nje sifike kuma-semi-final quarter final siphume etournamentini.
Okay. You've been i-captain kwi-Ward 58 okanye usase-captain kwi-Ward 58?
Bendiyi-captain
captain. What happened? Why ungasasi-captain kada?
Ikutshele TMK njengoba benditshilo mina yabo like ndandithanda udlala nama-peers wami yabo. Besidlala singama-under like i-team zothi ihlephuke phakathi i-team ye-Ward 58.
Okay.
Ihlephuke phakathi ndiqale ekuqaleni njengoba sanditshilo nakuleya interview ba i-Ward 58 kahle zeyi-team yekasi yenziwa ngama-team wasekasi kuthathwa ama-player kulo ma-team wonke wasekasi.
Okay.
Wafome ku-Ward 58 ekuhambeni kwexesha ekuqaleni kwayo zange ndibe ndiselekthwe ndibe yi-captain. I think kuthiwa uLuthando captain ndiyi-vice yakhe. uLuthando abanezo ngxaki abanazo wastepa down ediskini step up ke mna ke yabo.
Okay.
Saqhubeka I think noba sidlale 3-4 tournament then kwaba nekhutshukhuthu phakathi kwama-player amanye awasazi tontoni yabo. Then man ndashiyeka bo as a captain ndashiyeka ekuhambeni kwexesha masiyodlala no man ngoku ayise-Ward 58 le ipikipiki ayiseyo-team le.
Yeah.
Kulandwa ama-player kuphi kulandwa ama-player kuphi yabo.
Okay.
And ama-jezi ahlala kuwo ndiye nejezi egrawundini manifika ndikho esikimini captain hayi vele is part of football ani
Yeah,
hlala
yeah.
ngaphandle and ngingabi na stress like ndithi hayi maybe next game zodlala yabo la next game hayibo andidlali bese like amajita mawedliwe kuziwa kum kuthiwa hayi sidlalile kuzothwa kum bese ejimini kusafara thina masiye ejimini
Sure.
kusafara thina abantu bebedlala bekho and mabe explainela thina ukuthi ukuze sidliwe senze kanje nakanje kanjani singadlala
Nina beningekho
asidlala
okay.
yawo ingxaki evele yabakhona so nda decide ukuthi no man maniphume kwa 58.
What do you think causes ingxaki ezinjalo vele kuma team abaya, because it's not only issue ye what 58
njengoba nditsho khona mani ipiki ayikho gram
Cochrane.
le ndawo yokuthatha ama-player from PP ethatha ama-player from PP okay masithi siqalela i-tournament singeyopikipiki yabo
Sure.
maybe sothi si-reache boma-last 8 masiya ku-last 8 abantu abasiphetheyo abasasithembi okanye imali le ibenza babe njalo andazi yabo basilandela ama-player lo ma-player amatsha ma efika afike enze i-style of play sawo ahluleke. I think ilona nto ebulela ama-team.
Yeah, and in most cases our Jimmy wonke lama player la
Yeah.
avela sewahlangana eground.
Yeah, ingxaki yo coach andazi ngizothi bathini maybe bathi thina sibancinci ndasina experience yama tournament into ezinjalo.
Yeah.
Lama player bawalanda nithi bathi hayi silanda experience players apho bayi ubani can do better yabo.
Okay. Okay. So what has being a team captain taught you about leadership kunye ne teamwork?
So qala ndithi teamwork yabo Man United as a team.
Yeah.
No matter what, lose, win, draw, yonke lonto le manini moya mnye like spirit is by one no one ekiwe ayikho lanto loba
Sithiswe
ngubani. Yeah, into manje nge teamwork then.
Okay.
Being a leader is very hard. Kunzima by lead yabo sometimes you have to take sacrifices but like maybe certain sine player maybe elihlala abo Sky City abo section field maybe lithi anamali yabo.
Yeah. Yes.
Like kumele ndenze plan ba lo player leyo kumele ifike egroundini behind the scenes ke awukuthi into kumele yazwe ngumuntu wonke uba ubani ukuze abe lapha ndimi yabo kumele nimenzele iplan ndimtshela okay you can bolt ngizoyibhatala mayifika apha yabo.
Okay, sure.
Into ezinjalo and then bekhona ke as a leader egroundini iba ngathi uthetha kakhulu sometimes like abantu abangekho seteamini yabo mase groundini.
Sure.
Mawe leader kubo yeba ngathi uthetha kakhulu and ama player wakho aya understand lento yenzekayo mara ama opinion abantu as a leader sometimes ungafeel ngathi ayakhetha because aba understand ukuthi
kwenzeka ntoni. Okay. So how do you prepare mentally and physically before imatch enkulu?
Before imatch enkulu mna as for mna okanye for the team.
Yeah, wena as individual.
Oh hayi as for mna ke like mna yabo manje yodlala imatch enkulu day before ngase nibe yi1 imini yonke.
Okay.
Yeah, kwimida ingase ngingabikho kwimida nje ndizithathele ifoni yami for prepare mental.
Yeah.
Ndifunda novel maybe lo hour le yabo.
So you believer kwi camp before the game?
I do kakhulu futhi because mina ngikhulele kuma academy yabo.
Okay. Yeah.
Yabo ndithatha ifoni yami after yabo like inovel iyayinceda ingqondo ba relax then after inovel I will download ama lantus ama click we Man City for finishing yabo.
Yeah.
Ne movement kahle yabo for shift play ukuthi ukuze siwine kanje abantu aba maybe lo opponent le sayazi ba idlala kanjani emva kahle yabo ukuthi ukuze sikhonke from emva ukuthi ishift yethu kumele ibe kanjani thathe lo ma click lawo dizama wasendela amajita egroupini ye team yabo bese ndiwabhalele lo message leyo then yabo bazo reactor sithethe ba like okay lento leso yenza kanje nakanje.
Sure. You've mentioned ukuba udlalele ama academy abaya.
Yeah.
Okay, ngicela oninikeze from academy yakho yokuqala until the last one babe kuyiphi kuyijoine nini kanjani?
Yeah, njengoba benjile yokuqala yayiyishumba.
Sure.
Yeah, kwishumba benseyintwana ke I think boma 2014 yeah,
Okay,
2014
okay.
ngayidlalela kancinci. Then after yaba Palashos.
Okay.
Palashos nayo ndijoine 2014 later until 2015 around June. Yeah, dayeka. Then 2016 belingekho kwi-World of Football.
Okay.
2017 yaba Wits nayo kancinci. I think half a season mandiphuma kwi-Wits ke ikhona like ngizothi nayo academy soccer cream.
Okay.
Like leyo ke ithatha ama player from here iwase abroad ngaphandle ukuthi uyodlala khona. But I didn't get that chance ba like intendo yodlala ngaphandle pha andayo.
Okay, okay. So what challenges have you faced as a local player and wawa overcome kanjani?
As a local player into ama challenge apha enjongana nawo like njengoba nditsho nikhulele kuma academy imali kahle financial iyakhabatha le maybe masithi utrainer eJuice and utrainer maybe kayi3 ngeveki, so kumele usacrifice lo mali yakho okanye ugcibele sewucela abantu ixesha elibhami nabe ndicela ku coach imali ba like okay coach cela undiphe imali yejimini nayo.
Yeah.
Yabo.
So okay, so imupi coach that's been most supportive so far, especially kuyo leya initiative leya?
Njengoba benjilo lamadala
Yeah.
Mr. Twalela.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Twalela then izoba ngu coach Luthando which is Tamshoden. Yeah, coach endiphuma under yena ngoku.
Yeah.
Greenfield Rovers.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to a life beyond the game. How do you balance soccer with a personal life yakho, ama studies wakho, as well as ama commitments wespani if ever yaspan?
Hayi leyo isimple futhi man yabo. Idiska I think ixesha elibhayi.
Sure.
Kale ngayidisk maybe ejimini maybe we training from 4 until 6:30 which is leyo 2 hours yabo. Then incwadi vele binto maybe usuka isigela singena boma 8 yabo until 3 yabo.
Okay, yeah.
Xesha then elelinye ixesha maybe wenza ama home chores endlini bese then mawubuya ejimini uzobuya uhlambe, then after uhlambile hayi ungaba busy zincwadi zakho leyo nje isikhathi sakho idisk I affect izinto.
Okay. Are you currently studying or you are pursuing a career?
Hayi ngoku mina ngisaphezwe i-career.
Okay.
Mara nasesigela I did ama application yabo. Salindile ukuba kuphendule.
Okay. So outside of the pitch, what development programs or opportunities have you been involved in?
Awekho baya khona yabo.
Sure.
Engike ndawenza ngabase bathupile eGreenfield. Yeah, I was doing ama computer lesson. I think athathe boma 3 months now ndawagqiba.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Uke wawa mentora okanye wawa coachara intwana ezisasencinci kaye kuwe, and then if so bekufulfilla kanjani yona leyo nto leyo?
I do coaching eteamini la apha ndikhulele khona njengoba after Green Stars Greenfield Rovers. Dayide ngileya like ingada ide ukuthi no man. Iyandivuyisa kahle because nam ngoku the experience enayo I can share with the boys but no man, and football izinto ezikanje awuzenzi ezikanje uyazenza.
Okay.
Like mawuhleli nabo sometimes ukuncokole ningathethi ngebhola ngene ezincokolele ubone abantwana ukuthi no man.
Yeah.
Entwana hayi siphila kamnandi.
Okay. So how important is a community support in a player's journey, especially kwi local levels?
Ibaluleke kakhulu Fruitman.
Yeah.
Because singama players singama local players asifani yabo. Ama background wethu awafani, sibuya kumakhaya angafani. Yabo umphakathi mawungabumbana like understand world of football ukuthi njani simanyane sibe into eyi-one. Like we can have many top talent from eKaSlam engingathethi
ezinye indawo sure
yeah, like amanye ama-player awukuthi agqibeleke ibhola ngoba like awana luck and stuff. Sometimes ukuthi ama-opportunity
yeah angazwakelanga. Okay,
le nto nitsho umphakathi mawungathi uhlanganise izandla singaba nama-player bhayi.
Okay, what do you think local tournaments and stop mean to abantu abatsha? I mean ama-local tournaments kunye ne-sport mean to abantu abatsha kwi-community?
Yeah, dayideng leyo i-grand good man. And vele kumele ibe abantu abatsha cause ama-opportunity kumele avelele abantu abase-age abesabavumela cause abanye sebebadala ngoku. I think noba ngingafika ama-scouter i-scouter singafika like masive i-age yakho sithi hayi man sewumdala ngoku. So mna ndiyathanda uba like ama-team adlalisa abantwana ngoku kwazi kuzoveleka ama-opportunities cause awukuthi sonke siyakwazi ufumana ama-opportunity ngokuziphumela.
Yeah. Okay, if you've had ama-resources, what changes okanye ama-programs would you introduce to support ama-athletes?
Mna Goodman like ndizothi ndingalantuza man ndithathe amantu like every month I would like uba ndithathe loo transport nyana ndivayise abantu kuma-academy nakuma-DDC for ama-trials into ezibhaya for ukuthi bathole ama-opportunity. Abanye ndibavayise kuma-assessment into ezinjalo.
Okay, have you seen idisk livula iminyango for others etimini yakho okanye kwi-community yakho?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, share a story.
Kabhaya via ikhona ngabhaya via ndibona ivuleka iminyango for amachita.
Okay,
abangenhla kunami nabangaphansi na same age.
Yeah,
I think manzoqala ngoNhlingosi. Nhlanhla Bulane.
Sure.
Nhlingosi like he's the best player yabo. Like uNhlingosi ubedlala kuma-academy naye.
Okay,
Mara zange abe nexesha elide ke kuma-academy yabo.
Yeah,
Then athola ama-opportunity ayikho i-opportunity angayifumenanga uba adlale i-disc yabo. I think he got a call from me if it's yabo. Yeah, i-disc challenge I think ibisakubizwa i-multi choice ngoku yabo.
Okay,
Yeah, bayiphusha kancane mara wahluleka ka-assessment seyilixesha nakhona kulo assessment le. Yeah, then kuzoba kwawo intwana eziyi-2 amagama azo ndiwalibele because bezingemva kunami yabo.
Okay,
Nazo zathola ama-call phofu zaziye like kuma-trial zathathwa kwi-Albertine under coach Kevin.
Okay,
Kodwa kwakukudala ngoku namzana seyintwananyana.
Okay.
Then izoba Anele I'm not sure ndilibele isename yakhe. Anele ayikho opportunity angayifumenanga again.
Sure. Okay,
Ayikho opportunity angayifumenanga. He is a former Morocco Swallows DDC team. I think ngokudlala kwi-SAB ngoku.
Okay,
SAB kwi-Ame Rockets.
Okay.
Yeah.
No akutsho ukuthi uyibonile show i-development emajideni. So maselanda i-conclusion yethu, what are your personal goals going forward both egroundini kunye nangaphandle egroundini?
So qala i-groundini yabo. I-groundini njengoba ngoku ndidlala Goodman ndikwi-ABC kuqala.
Sure.
Mandizoqala ngokuthi kule season le siyoqala kuyo ndifuna usebenza ngamandla wami wonke nawo ukuthi enriche last 32 eNedbank.
Yeah.
The main goal in football is to reach professional football. Yeah, I think maningafika da I did ayikho into engasenzelanga yona.
Okay.
Disking.
Sure.
Then this beyond football ngase ndithola isikela kuqala yabo. ndiyoshaya logistic management
Okay.
kahle yinto endifuna ukuyishaya leyo.
Okay.
Ndizophuma esigela then ndiyosebenza. Yes man.
Okay. Do you have any do you have aspirations to play professionally? A coach or lead soccer projects in the future?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do. Because njengoba benike ndatsho yabo ingase like mawungumuntu i-experience onayo uyishare nabanye abantu.
Sure.
So ndingathanda uba in future ndicoach abanye abantu.
Okay.
Like nami bashare le ndlela le ndayihamba. Like abantu like o-coach mabesisherela nathi ngoku asixelele uba yena in football wenza kanje nakanje kwenzeka into ezikanje. Sometimes we don't believe sevele zithi uyashaya.
Yeah,
Mara
yeah.
njengoba nathi isikhula siyazibona man like uyicinga mase yenzeka kuyicinga uthi no into kanje ake yenzeka ku-coach.
Okay.
Wasixelela cha zange simbelieve yabo.
Okay.
Even nangoku ezantana ezinye izinto manje ezixelela zivele zihleke. Ndithi niyahleka mara nizoyiricha lento lesikuyo nathi.
Okay. What advice would you give to young players who love i-game mara abastrugglayo vele egroundini nasekhaya nasekasi like bayastruggle nje elifini yabo mara bayayincanya i-game?
Okokuqala ndizokhuthaza lamajita la anama-background angekho sesimeni esigrand because nami ndibuya kulo ma-background lawo.
Yeah.
So majita apha nikhoyo kwezo ndawo nikuzo majita aqinani majita. uNkulunkulu uyabazi abantu bakhe.
Yeah, ne.
No matter what, don't let your background determine who you are. Yabo.
Yeah.
Mele baqine, work hard. Mabewile vuka uzithintithe. Akekho umuntu ozoza ukwazi ukuthintitha. Mele uziphakamele uzithintithe. Stay strong. Yabo.
Okay.
There are challenges in football. Amaninzi futhi angakwenza ubala like ufeel ukuthi no man. Ibhola iyaheta futhi man. Yabo. Mara no matter what, into mawuyifuna uzoyifumana.
Yeah.
And mina believe akulanto leya uba into iphiwe ngithixo akekho umuntu ongakuthathelayo.
Okay.
So majita mawahlale strong wona. I keep pushing. Abaneso bazobona. Yeah.
Okay.
And futhi ingase like ama players ekasi ayiyeke la mentality le ukuthi asuka namhlanje sihlala neteam eso-y manje ye-ground ngizofika endlale nje. In football you don't play nje.
Yeah.
You never know who is watching you.
Nama scouts awafaki
Yeah.
izikipa ezibhalwe namakhepha abhalwe scout kayi.
Yeah,
Baza ba private kanjengama fans.
Lento ndicho you never know who is watching you.
Yeah.
Into abangixela yona le. But you take every game serious because you never know who is watching.
Okay. Yeah.
Into kumele amajita le ayihlalisise engqondweni angathi kule game le ukuthi kule game ndiyohlala nje. Akekho wazi ububukelwe ngibani.
Okay.
Futhi awuyazi inhlanhla yakhe yofika ngeliphi la. Yeah.
Okay. So ngicela uqhubezele this sentence. Beyond the game, I am.
Beyond the game, I am Someleze Hlaba.
Ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe abafethu. That's the only way that you can help yona le channel le ukuthi ikhule ukuthi ni subscribe guys. So ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe, ningalibali ukucomment, ningalibali ukubuza ama questions, ni share nama advices. Igama lami MK, benginomjita wethu player lethu la Greenfield, former captain ye 58 bambiza ngoSomeleze. Thank you Grootman.
Thank you for having me, MK.